Hello, friends. Welcome to Delhi Law Firm, where we simplify complex legal judgments for your understanding. Today, we are discussing a landmark judgment in which the High Court clearly held that marriage registration can also be done through video conferencing, especially in cases where one of the spouses is living abroad and it is not possible for them to travel to India.
Hello friends, welcome to Delhi Law Firm, where we simplify complex legal judgments for your understanding. Today we are talking about a very important decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case Ami Ranjan and Another versus State of Haryana.
Absolutely. This judgment is extremely important for all NRI couples and international couples who want to register their marriage under the Special Marriage Act 1954 but cannot come to India together. In this case, the husband Ami Ranjan was working in London as an IT consultant and the wife Meesha Verma was a medical doctor in the USA. Both were living abroad and due to COVID-19 restrictions, they could not return to India.
They had solemnized their marriage on 7/12/2019 in Gurugram according to Hindu rites and then returned to their respective countries. When they needed a marriage certificate, they applied on 29/1/2020 before the Gurugram marriage officer. They requested that Meesha Verma's presence be accepted through video conferencing since she was on COVID duty in the USA.
But the marriage officer rejected the request, stating that video appearance is not allowed under the law and both parties must appear physically to sign the marriage certificate book. Later, the single judge also upheld this view.
The question before the court, however, was very simple but extremely practical. Can a marriage be registered under the Special Marriage Act through video conferencing? If one spouse is abroad, if there are travel restrictions or medical emergencies, can technology be used to fulfill the legal requirements?
The High Court examined several important judgments. Upasana Bali, Jharkhand High Court, NRI spouses registration can be done via video conferencing and power of attorney. Kerala High Court, Pardeep Kodvidu Cletus, video presence can be treated as personal appearance. Delhi High Court, Charanjit Kaur Negi, embassy attestation plus video appearance equal to valid presence.
Supreme Court, Dr. Praful B. Desai, video conferencing is real presence, not virtual presence.
The High Court then interpreted the relevant provisions of the Special Marriage Act. Sections 15, 16, 18 and 24 require that the application must be signed by both parties, notice and enquiry formalities must be completed, the certificate must be signed by both spouses and 3 witnesses. The certificate becomes a public document. But the High Court clearly held if the purpose of the law is fulfilled through video conferencing, then imposing a rigid requirement of physical presence is unnecessary.
The High Court's final order was, the order of the single judge and the marriage officer was set aside. Registration shall proceed after completing the 30-day procedure. The wife's presence shall be secured through video conferencing from the USA. The husband and all 3 witnesses must appear physically before the Gurugram marriage officer along with photographs, invitation cards and other proof of marriage. After verifying everything, the marriage certificate shall be issued and it will be completely valid and legally recognized.
What this means for the general public is that the court is now working in a technology-friendly manner. NRI couples should not be forced to bear unnecessary travel burdens. Through video conferencing, embassy attestation and power of attorney, marriage registration under the Special Marriage Act can be legally completed.
If you are an NRI living abroad, your spouse cannot travel to India or there is any unavoidable situation that makes physical presence impossible, this judgment is a strong legal guide in your favor. For more information, updates and legal help, visit www.dellylawfirm.news. Delhi Law Firm, your trusted partner in legal rights.